Hi, I'm Cheers. Today I will be making a salsa. Tomato salsa. I have here a big can of tomato, whole peeled tomatoes. It's 28 ounces, a lime juice, sugar, salt, cilantro, jalapeno peppers, 2 jalapeno peppers. I have 3 cloves of garlic and 1 piece of onion, a small size. If you have a big onions, do half. So let's start. I put them in my blender. I put all the ingredients in the blender, including the juice of the tomato in cans. Our cilantro here, about 1/4 cup of cilantro, including the steam. It's been washed and cleaned. 3 cloves of garlic. And we chop our red onions. You can put this in your food processor too. And our jalapeno peppers. If you want it spicy, just let the seeds in there. If you don't want it spicy, just take off the seeds. My big children love spicy salsa, so I put that in there. Then I have here half a teaspoon of iodized salt or sea salt, half a teaspoon of white sugar, and a tablespoon of lime juice. You can use fresh ones if you have it on hand. Then we put our garlic powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of onion powder. Then we'll blend it. That's how easy is it. Turn it on. My blender is dual. It's blender and food processor. So I turn it on. I pulse it. You want this chunky. Just pulse it or food processor. Blended. So we're gonna taste it. If we need more seasoning, just stir it. It looks so good. I'll show it to you guys. Look. And smells good too. There's some little bit of chunks in there. So I'm gonna taste it if I need more salt. It's perfect. My children will love this. After that, we put it in our jar and leave it in the refrigerator to chill. That's it. That's how easy to make a salsa. Chips here that I have to dip my salsa. And let's eat. It tastes so good and it tastes fresh. Using this canned tomato, it saves you time and they're already ready to use. You don't have to roast your tomato or get the skin up because it's already peeled. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, Cheers Life and Style, and please check my other videos, other recipes in my YouTube. Thank you.